Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by rinsing 50 grams of fresh mint leaves under cold water. Pat the leaves dry with a clean towel to avoid excess water. Strip stems and remove any damaged leaves for a bright flavor. Measure exactly 50 grams of leaves to ensure recipe consistency. Inspect your electric muddler or grinder for cleanliness and assembly. Charge the device for 30 minutes before first use to ensure full power. Place the motor head on the base securely before proceeding. Add the measured 50 grams of mint leaves into the electric muddler cup. Add 2 tablespoons of cold water to help the blades create a smooth paste. Pulse the device for 10 to 15 seconds, checking texture every few seconds. For mint simple syrup, mix 1 cup sugar with 1 cup water in a saucepan. Simmer the syrup for 5 minutes until sugar dissolves, then remove from heat. Stir in 2 tablespoons of mint paste and let steep for 10 minutes. Transfer the finished mint paste or syrup into a clean, sealed glass jar. Label the jar with date and store it in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. For cocktails or iced drinks, use 2 tablespoons of mint syrup per 250 ml beverage for a balanced flavor. For cooking, adjust paste amounts to taste, starting with 1 teaspoon. Clean the electric muddler parts immediately after use to prevent residue buildup. Do not immerse the motor base in water. Wipe it with a damp cloth instead.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.